Welcome back to my channel. It's Alicia. If this is your first time here, so today I finally have a fall video. So excited. This is like my favorite season ever. So I'm so excited for the warm shades, dark lipsticks, the turtlenecks, the sweaters, name it all. I'm ready and I have so much in store for you guys now that the weather is getting kind of chilly. This makeup look, I am going to be using the Fresh moisturizer. It's a youth preserving cream. And my skin is normally really dry when the weather gets a little bit colder, so I have to go in with a thicker moisturizer. This moisturizer is very thick and very creamy. For the under eyes, I'm gonna be using the Giorgio Armani Crema Nera Extrema, which is a volume and reshaping eye serum. I normally use the Ole Hendrickson eye cream, the banana eye cream. That's my go-to. But today I'm feeling very luxurious, very tired of nothing, but I'm going to be prepping my eyelid with the Too Faced multi-sculpting concealer, and I'm just going to put them on my eyelid. Large eye blending brush to just blend in that base for the eyes. And since we're doing a fall look, our look is going to consist of a lot of browns and also like orangey fall colors. And yeah, oh, this is my favorite season. I can't wait to wear turtlenecks and sweaters, and like I'm obsessed. I don't really like the summer. I'm not a summer person, so I'm gonna be using the Becca, the Hydra Mist powder, just to set the eyes a little bit. So first we're going to be starting off with the color Sand, which is this color right over here, and we're just going to blend that into our crease. Using the color Terracotta, which is this here right here. And this is like a burnt orangey shade. We're just gonna go ahead and we're gonna focus that into the color that we just put on the crease, and just and I'm going to be using a different brush now. I'm going to be using the Moda Pro brush in, I think the brush is called Shade. And we're going to go ahead with the cinnamon color, which is this color over here, and we're just going to add that on to the outer crease. Just pat it a little bit. Just add that onto the outer crease. Honestly, we're just gonna add this whole color to the eyelid. And then we're gonna go back and we're gonna re-blend out anything that looks kind of feeling a dark look. Since it's fall, dark colors are it. We're gonna go ahead and take that same brush we was blending the shades from before and just make sure everything's blended in. This detail brush by Moda Pearl, and we're gonna go ahead and I'm gonna be picking up a dark shade, which is black, and I'm just gonna focus this black in the outer part of the look. So now that we put on the lashes, mind you, these lashes are so freaking pretty. We're gonna be using the Cover FX blurring primer. I love this primer. But the only thing, it's like thick. It's very thick. So, but it does the magic. It covers a lot. Like, covers a lot. Full coverage is me. I love full coverage. So we're gonna go ahead and I'm gonna be using the Hourglass seamless finish liquid foundation. For concealer, now that the foundation is all set, I'm gonna be going in. I honestly need to go get a new concealer because I've been using the same concealer for so long. But it's the Fenty Beauty in the shade 330. I like took it a little bit way up so I can just define the eye color. I'm gonna go ahead and blend it out. I love this concealer so much. And for this part, I'm just gonna let it pat down, like dry down a little bit so it can get a little bit more tackier, and then we can go ahead and blend that in. Setting powder. I know I told you guys in the last video that I really need to get into buying a new setting powder, and I've got it. I've got the Becca Hydro Mist. Is this called Hydro Mist? Yeah, Hydro Mist setting refreshing powder. Oh my god, let me just rave about this product a little bit. This powder feels like water, literally water. Like when you're applying it, it feels like somebody just slapped you with like a wet towel. Like, I'm gonna be using the Fenty Pro filter in the shade Honey, and this I'm gonna use all over my face, just to give the face some setting. And also, this foundation is a little lighter than me right now, or I don't know, I feel like it is, so this is gonna like rounds me up a little bit. Just setting the whole face. I didn't take much of the powder. And so now that that's set, we're gonna go ahead and contour. And we're gonna be using the Nars Bronzer and Casino. I was going to cream contour, but I already set my face, of course. I always forget. I'm just gonna chisel up the face. Just add some warmth. For blush today, we are going to be using the Anastasia blush trio palette, and I'm gonna be using this shade over here, which is more of a peachy kind of color. And this blush is so pretty, but yet it's so subtle that like with any eye look that you do, it's perfect. I'm gonna just go ahead and move on to the lips. So the next shade we're going to be using for the lips will be a liquid lipstick. We're going to be using this ColourPop liquid lipstick in the shade Kai. Okay guys, so that is it for this fall look. I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and also leave the thumbs up and comment down below anything that you want to tell me, or any looks that you guys would like me to do, or any fun challenges, which I have many fun challenges coming up soon. So excited for you guys to see the videos. They're very hilarious. And it was so out of my comfort zone, something that I don't normally do, but I really want to connect with you guys and do very exciting things. So yeah.